the fire alarm control panel. The brand is Notifier by Honeywell. The display shown are AC power, fire alarms, supervisory, trouble, maintenance, alarm silence, disabled, battery, ground, and the current company and time are also shown.